Hello, in front of me I have iPhone 17, and in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods. Alright, let's begin with the first method. To do it, we need to open up the settings, and for the first method we are going to backup our data into our iCloud. So, to do it, open up your settings, click on your Apple account. Now, you can click on your iPhone. Make sure that iCloud backup is enabled, right in here, and now click on Backup Now. Remember that if you want to create a backup, you need to have some free storage space in your iCloud. So if you don't have enough, you'll have to delete something. Now to create a backup, simply click on Backup Now. Now the process will start. So we need to wait a little. Alright, in my case, backup has already finished. If it goes well, we can see it right in here, last successful backup, and next to it we will see the hour. As you take a look on the real hour, everything is correct, and the backup has been successfully created. Alright, that is the first method. Now I'll show the second method, which will be how to backup your data from your iPhone into your Mac. So now, to do it, I just need to make some free space right in here a little. And now, I have my Mac next to me. Now, we will have to connect our iPhone into our Mac using the USB-C cable. So, that's what I'm about to do. Now, connect your iPhone. Alright, that's the thing that should appear if you are connecting your iPhone for the first time. Trust this computer, click on Trust. Okay, now on the Mac it should appear. Now we need to open up the Finder app. Now go into Locations, click on the iPhone. Now wait a few seconds. Now find Backups, select Backup all of the data on your iPhone to this Mac, select it, and now click on Backup Now. Alright, the process will start. We need to wait a little bit. Okay, as you take a look, a bar appeared and is starting to fulfill. Now we need to simply wait until it ends. Alright, in my case it has ended. When you take a look right in here, last backup to this Mac, we have the date and we have the hour. So everything went successfully. Now I will show you the third method. If you don't have a Mac, that's the method for you. Now we are going to backup our iPhone into PC or laptop, but with Windows. So give me a second and I'll see you on my desktop. Alright. Now, again, we need to connect our iPhone into our computer. Again, we have this notification. We need to click on Trust. Okay. And now, we need to download the Apple Devices app into our computer. To do it, we can open up the Microsoft Store. Simply click on the search bar. Open up the Microsoft Store. And now, type Apple Devices, that's this app. Okay, and simply download it. Once you have downloaded it, open it up. It's going to look just like that. I'll only minimize the window. Okay, and now it looks practically the same, just like on the Mac. Find the backups, select Backup all the data on your iPhone to this computer, and now click on Backup Now, right in here. Now the process will start, and again we need to wait a little bit until it's finished. So I'll see you once it's done. Okay, and now, just like on the Mac, let's just take a look. We can see last backup to this computer, we have the date and the hour. That means that our backup has been successfully created and it's now stored on our computer. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.